Okay. Marble Mystery Oil Viper V10. Yeah, okay. I honestly checked. It's not gonna hurt the car. I asked someone that gave me some advice. They said it wouldn't hurt the car. So the issue is I had an idle speed regulator problem with it before. Yeah, I should grab the hood open. Okay, hold on a second. Pull onto the light so I can get the hood open. You can see the car. I can explain what I'm going to do. Basically, I'm going to add some Marble Mystery Oil to my car because the idle speed regulator is having an issue. I added that before, it took care of the problem. I ran about 8,000 miles and it came back for the very first time today. The car is running great, but, you know, it had an idle speed regulator issue. So, unfortunately, my car doesn't actually burn oil. I mean, maybe it does, but Vipers, you know, can burn oil, I guess, so many miles you have to add another quart. This car really doesn't do it. By the time I have to add, it's 3,000 miles before I even burn a quart of oil. So, to add the Marble Mystery Oil or whatever, you know, I'm going to have a slightly excess amount of lubricant in my crankcase. So what I need to do is check the oil again. I mean, I know it's full. I just checked it yesterday. And, you know, determine how much of that stuff I can squeeze in. Last time I put in a full bottle, I ran 300 miles or so, and I got the oil changed. I've got 2,000 more miles to go before I get my oil changed. So, I don't know what I'm going to do. You know what? I think I'm just going to add a little more and a little more and a little more and see if you can just get away with adding a tiny bit that would fix the problem. Why not, right? Anyway, and if I have to end up adding more, I guess I will. Alright, here we go. Yeah, no joke. Empty bottle, right? So if I want to add this to my engine, should I, like, fill this up with the oil that's in my engine? And, you know, like, basically, what am I going to do? Crawl underneath it and crack it open? Or, yeah, stick a hose down the dipstick tube and use a pump to pump it into this and fill it up with Viper oil. Yay. And I could sell it as previously used Viper oil. But it says, you know, you can put it in your fuel. 4 ounces treats up to 10 gallons. Yeah, what's in the bottle? I don't know, but I guess the car can burn it, or at least run it through the engine. Replace up to, this is for if you want to put it in your crankcase, oil, I guess. Oil additive. Replace up to 20% of oil with MMO. Mystery Marble. Marble Mystery Oil. Why does it have to be mystery? It literally says, you know, Scooby-Doo oil. I wonder if it's like 100% pure cetacean extract. Yeah. Okay. If it was, I wouldn't use it. But alright. I'm sorry. I was trying to be funny. I hope you don't know what a cetacean is and have empathy. I obviously know what a cetacean is, therefore I have empathy for cetaceans. And that was a joke, I swear. Okay, I'm going to do the oil thing and see if it fixes it. Do you want to see the hood open and me actually put it in there, or you just trust me? Okay, maybe. Okay. That's the magic wand. Oh boy, yeah, that's a close-up. Anyway, I'm getting in here. Right there. I just checked the oil. It's fine. It's right at the top level. The maximum fill line. I've run about 1,000 miles since an oil change. It's right where I'd, you know, it doesn't really burn oil. You know, that's a good thing. I mean, some of them do, but this one doesn't. Maybe I don't push it hard enough to burn the oil. Anyway, I'm gonna try and fix that thing right there. That is an idle speed regulator. I guess that's what causes the problems. Typically, you know, oops, like, clean this thing out and clean these out and that, and then yeah, But oh well. I'm gonna try it. Something else this time. Yeah, it really happens. There you go. Bonus feature. DIY free marble mystery oil funnel. Yeah, some assembly required. Okay, test one. You got to hear the first start at least. Smoother. I got garage door. The lowest. Okay, I added a half a bottle, 16 ounces of a 32 ounce bottle, 10 liter motor. It's running about 5% marble mystery oil, about twice as much as I was running the last time. I haven't driven around the block yet. I'm just trying to see if this is going to kill the idle speed regulator issue. Last time I put it in, I don't know, it seemed to fix it right away, and it was gone for almost 8,000 miles. It's back. I put in a half a bottle, see what happens. I heard it won't hurt the car. I hope so.